Do you think people can disappear? Today, we're going to discuss a suit that claims it can make you invisible. A Canadian company called Hyperstealth Biotechnology has created an innovative material that can make objects nearly invisible, a concept previously seen only in science fiction. This material, which they've patented, operates on quantum invisibility principles and doesn't require any external power source. The company is working on developing special camouflage uniforms for various armies around the world, including those of the United States, India, Jordan, the United Arab Emirates, Canada, Slovakia, and New Zealand. The technology behind this invisibility fabric has been in development since 2010 and has recently been unveiled to the public. Guy Kramer, the president of Hyperstealth and the inventor of this fabric, has filed multiple patent applications to protect the underlying technologies that make it work. Quantum invisibility is the cornerstone technology that underpins various other advancements. It involves a plastic-like material capable of rendering objects invisible by scattering and erasing light rays that enter microscopic lenses with the material. This process makes everything behind the material indistinguishable from a certain distance. Notably, this new type of plastic can bend rays across visible spectrum, including ultraviolet and infrared light. The Chinese have reportedly achieved significant progress in invisibility cloak development. Social media posts suggest the deployment of 8,000 invisible military suits within the People's Liberation Army of China. While there's no official confirmation, it's known that Chinese scientists were close to this breakthrough about 2 years prior. Despite the seeming magic of invisibility cloaks, Chinese researchers are diligently pursuing devices that can manipulate light, effectively making objects behind them vanish from view. In the past, attempts to create invisibility devices were often based on metamaterials, which have unique properties not found in natural substances or individual particles. However, working with metamaterials poses challenges. To overcome this, researchers turned to maintain malonyl trioxide, a material with excellent energy flow control properties. Rolled-up sheets of malonyl trioxide were found to be effective in replacing metamaterials, showcasing nearly perfect invisibility. Recent advancements in invisibility technology have garnered increased interest in the scientific community. While there are many theories and prototypes for invisible materials, researchers from the University of Extremadura in Spain have developed a technology for electromagnetic object masking based on refractive properties of specific substances. Unlike existing methods that cover objects with special substances, the Spanish approach involves adding special additives to the structures, details, and materials. Their method, known as plasma cloaking, not only makes the covering material invisible but also the object itself. This electromagnetic invisibility effect is achieved by filling the structures with materials possessing high dielectric and magnetic properties. As a result, this new approach allows for achieving invisibility without any external interventions. Additionally, the use of fillers for achieving invisibility allows objects to interact with their surroundings without external masking interference. Currently, this technique is limited to small objects, but the researchers behind the study believe that it can be enhanced in the future to work on larger structures. In a related development, a London-based company called Invisibility Shield has introduced a new product called Invisibility Shield 2.0. The shield, made of transparent polycarbonate and thin lenses, scatters light reflected by the user in the background, creating an invisibility effect. If mass-produced, it will be available for purchase at prices ranging from $68 to $883. The developer suggests its use in wildlife observation or military applications. Invisibility Shield 2.0 is an upgraded version of the original Invisibility Shield. The reports indicate that the second version of the shield is an improvement over its predecessor in several ways. It's larger, lighter, stronger, more stable, and brighter. Moreover, it's easier to carry around. The shield is designed in the shape of a curved sheet made of high-quality transparent polycarbonate. It stands vertically with a frame made from the same material at the back. A series of tall and thin lenses are inserted into the sheet, each running from top to bottom. When the user stands behind the device, these lenses scatter the surrounding light reflected by their body across the entire front surface of the shield, contributing to the invisibility effect. As a result of this design, anyone looking at the shield from the front sees only scattered light from the background, seamlessly blending with the actual surroundings. In terms of practical applications, the company reports that the invisibility shield has already been used for various purposes. This includes concealing participants in a Korean dating show, allowing individuals to play paintball while remaining unnoticed, creating stage illusions, hiding small items on an office desk, and for wildlife observation. However, there are some inconveniences associated with its use. Users cannot see clearly what is ahead through the shield and may need to peek out from behind it to navigate or observe their surroundings effectively. Now, introducing the ultimate camouflage design tailor-made for rocky terrains. Take a moment to marvel at the challenge of spotting the camouflage soldier among the rugged rocks. What's the secret? It's not some elaborate suit but a lightweight cotton shawl, almost like a large scarf. Fold it up, tuck into your waist bag, and you're good to go. This technology isn't just groundbreaking, it's a game changer into the world of military strategy. Professional soldiers are clamoring for it, especially snipers who value the ability to vanish in mere seconds. Picture this, one moment you're a person, the next, you're blend seamlessly into a rocky landscape. Surprise! Even though it's right there in front of you, this device effortlessly merges with its surroundings thanks to its camouflage colors. Are you ready to step into the world of invisibility where rocks become your allies and perception is your advantage? The camouflage design redefined. Unlocking its secret isn't immediate. It's not about everything becoming clear at first glance. Initially, it may seem like a prop for a unique photo shoot, but in reality, this technology has immense value, especially for hunters. Experts may already recognize it as the mirror hide, a tool that blends the enclosure with the landscape using its reflective surface, allowing hunters to hide inside effectively. While such tricks may not deceive humans easily, they work wonders with animals. Here's where the true illusion steps in, crafted by none other than the automotive giant Mercedes-Benz. What you see isn't just a flat screen, it's a fully fledged automobile. How did they achieve this magic? By covering one side of the car with a carpet of LEDs and installing a camera on the other side. The camera instantly transmits the image to LED panels, turning the car into a real chameleon, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. Imagine driving down the road and your car seems to disappear into thin air. That's the brilliance of this concept, used by Mercedes to promote their lineup of zero-emission cars, making them practically invisible to the environment around them. The idea of people disappearing has gone beyond movies. Thanks to companies like Hyperstealth and Comp Invisibility Shield, invisibility is becoming real. Whether it's for soldiers, hunters, or even just hiding small items, these inventions are changing the game. But there are still challenges. Some shields make it hard to see ahead, and current technologies only work for small objects. However, the progress is exciting. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day, we all have the power to disappear when we want to. Until then, let's keep watching and wondering. Which of these inventions do you find most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our previous video. Until next time.